Okay, so you want to learn the violin, right? So I got to know that you're confused between the violin and the guitar, right? Which one you are going to learn, a guitar or a violin? Okay, so basically I would tell you, like, it is, a lot of people would be saying that a violin is a very hard instrument, it is very hard to play, or it will give there are no frets, it gives very problematic when you're going to play. But it's not that. It's actually very simple if you learn properly, or like if you give a much more good attention when you're going to play anything, whether you're going to play a guitar also, whether you're going to play a piano also, or any other instrument. The more basic thing is giving it much more time or some attention to it. A lot of new students who don't know anything about music, who have
Okay.
no idea regarding music, they come to me, they take online classes, and they have scored good marks in London School of Music Trinity, which I normally teach. The one which I teach, the curriculum that I teach, they have scored distinction mark over there. So it is all about your dedication, how much you are going to put to it. Like, for example, if I say, and if you listen to me when I'm going to play, or when I'm going to ask you to play that one, or when I'm going to teach you, if you listen to me carefully and you follow my steps, and like whatever the things are, if you keep on following that one, then that will help you out to learn the instrument very easily, and that will really help you out to play the instrument properly. That is the thing. For example, this is the violin. Okay, now in
Okay.
the demo class, I would really say you, like, the things that I'm going to teach you. I have a curriculum which I have made myself for the students, whoever are new students. Like, a lot of people comes to me like, I want to learn this instrument. So I have a curriculum which I'm going to share it right now with you. So
Okay.
this is the curriculum, and I teach the Western violin. I don't teach the Indian classical or that one, because a violin is not an Indian classical instrument. First of all, it is a Western instrument. It is made in Italy, and that's how it came to India, and we started playing that way. But it is a Western instrument, and I teach that way. Why I'm teaching that way, I'm going to tell you the reason also. So these are the staff notation, just like ABCD. We have learned in our nursery classes, right? ABCDEFG, we have learned that one. What is A for apple, B for ball, we have learned that one. This is basically the ABCD of the music. Once you learn this part, once you learn what is this and how these things are, basically you won't be knowing now what these things are, right? These things, you're not aware of these things, right? If I'm not wrong. So I will be teaching this one. The first, there will be first two session, where first one will be your theory. Okay,
Okay.
then the next session will be theory. In the theory, it will come the violin parts, how you are going to play it, how we are going to hold it, how it is holded. It is the same as it is. I teach as it is when I'm on the offline classes also. My
So wait,
first
wait a second. Wait a second.
yes,
Wait a second. Please.
yes. Hello, you there?
Yeah, please continue. Sorry for
Yes, yes,
inconvenience.
it's okay, it's okay. So the things like here there are these notes are there. These are the notes which we will be playing on the any instrument. And this thing is basically ABCD of music. If you learn this part, if you learn these things, you can play the same thing on the piano, on the guitar, on any instrument, on any instrument. This is the basic of all playing, the like every single thing in the universe of whichever the music instrument it is. You play this, you know this part, and it will help you out to play the instrument properly. Okay. So I'm going to teach you these things, these notations and all, everything. This will be covered in the first class. And like in the theory class, music, I will break down the music into three parts, and I will explain you that way. Okay. And after that, after completing this part, I will give you some work which you need to do it. And yes, one more thing, if you don't practice, I'm telling this one, in the very first day, if you are going for any instrument, whether you're going for guitar or whatever it is, but I'm just telling you, if you don't practice, if you at least don't practice regularly for 45 minutes, at least for a 45 minutes, if you don't invest a 45 minutes in the instrument daily, it will be very hard for you to learn, and you will feel like it's very hard instrument, I don't want to learn it. You will feel that way. So to overcome that one, I will give you exercises. And exercises will be like this: there will be notes, notations and all, you will be playing, and once you come to the next session, you will be showing me. Once I approve it, okay, you played good, well enough, then I will give it to the go to the next exercise. Like this is the next exercise, this is 3, then 4. I will keep on giving these exercises. And this whole curriculum is made for like 6 months. Once, a lot of people ask me like, how many months or how many time does it take to learn the violin instrument? There are, to be honest, there are no time to learn the instrument, or like it takes years and years of practice. But if you practice, if you give the dedication of practice, this is the course that gets over in 6 months. You can complete that one in a 6 months, but you have to give a dedication of every single day of 45 minutes. Once you give the dedication of 45 minutes, you can complete up this one. Once this is completed, you have a choice what you want to do. Either you want to go and like you want to affiliate it for like Trinity School of Music, London, like songs or the pieces, classical pieces. Do you want to play that one, or do you want to play the songs? And for the songs, if I give any Bollywood songs, that will be after a 1.5 year. Because Bollywood songs, there are some songs, Bollywood songs or any Tollywood or whatever it is, whether any song it is, there are a lot of things are there which you won't be able to play at that time. There are a lot of techniques of playing it, and when you play it, then only it sounds better. So it is not required to play that one right now. But there will be songs like theme songs, like Star Wars theme song, Game of Thrones theme song. And there will be some very short number of songs which I will be giving you in between the course. And after that also, once you complete the 6 months of this course, once you complete this one, you will be affiliated, like if whatever you want to do, or whatever you want to approach for giving the exams and all, or for the hobby purposes, that will be up to you, whatever you want to do. But for all the initial players, all the initial violin player, this is the initial thing you have to go through this one. Then only you can go and learn the Trinity one or the hobby things. You have any
Okay.
questions? You have any questions?
Yes, means what is the basic price of the instrument, and
Yes,
how
basic
much
price
time
of,
it generally takes to learn it?
I just spoke that one to you. I just spoke that one. Generally told you, I just spoke that one. I just said if you give a 45 minutes daily, then you will cover up the 6 months of the course. That is the initial period. Once you covered up this one, once you know how to read and write the notes, once you cover up that one, then you will go for like new songs. Once you cover up that one, then you go for the new higher songs. Once you cover up that one, you will go further ahead. There is no time limit of learning. But for a basic thing, for basic, I have just made this curriculum that is for 6 months. That is what it is. You need to give a 45 minutes daily to practice. And the
Okay.
basic price, yeah, and the basic price for the instrument is, you will get online anywhere, in Amazon. You can get in like Flipkart also, if you want to buy it from the Bazaar also, or if you have any shop nearby, you can buy from there also. You will get, I would suggest to buy at least a good violin. It will cost you around 8 to 9,000, which is a very good violin. Don't go for a 4,001, 5,000. There are a lot of violins which are like 5 to 4,001. Don't go for those things. Try to go to like at least 8 to 9,000. That is a very genuine amount of like to buy a good violin. So you can start off from that also. And yes, there will be a lot of things like tuning the violin, how to tune the violin, and that all will be covered up in the first two lectures basically. So I will be telling you, I will be sharing I have a WhatsApp number also. If you enroll the class, then I will be getting your WhatsApp
Okay.
number. Then I will be sharing the links. Sometimes I might share some links, YouTube links, where they explain it much more better. How like whatever I'm going to explain, their camera angles and all, these are much more better, so that you get to know, like animated things are there which will make you understand more easily. So I will make you understand also, and I will give that one to you also, so that you can understand also properly. So that is how it goes on. Sometimes I may give some reference link, you can watch that one, and once you are done, then you can carry forward, or like I will explain you the more basic stuff, or like more inside stuff. One more thing is that try to switch on your camera, because it is very convenient for me to like teach that way, because it becomes very easy
Let
for
me,
me.
what do you say?
Yes.
Like, let me come in some net.
So that is
Yeah.
how it happens. Like I know which note you are going to play, and when you that house carries on. And yes, in the violin we don't have any fretboards. If you can see, there are no frets, right? There are no frets. So you will be required to put some stickers, which I will tell you how to put it by a video, which I will be sharing you with you later on, like whenever you enroll the class. So I will tell you where to put, where not to put, so that your fingers comes there and you start playing. And this is the camera
Okay.
one that is going on. Sometimes I normally switch to the second camera, which is this one. So this will be
Okay.
very closer to me. So the once this is closer, so you know which notes I am playing. So I have two camera angles. So once this is the front face, where I say what to play, what not to play, and the second one will be your fingers, or like how I'm bowing, I will be showing you that one.
Okay.
Okay. Got it? Any more questions? Do you have any more? You can play the guitar very softly also. It's nothing, but it's all up to how people are going to play. So you can play. So it's all up to how you are going to play. It's not like only for the rock stars. Even I play on a band. I
Okay.
play the violin over there, and I use a lot of sound effects and all, so it doesn't becomes a peaceful sound. I'm not the rock and roll is actually, it is a peaceful for me, to be honest. So you can, it's all up to how you are going to play, how you are going to play the things. It's not like the instrument itself. It can be used anywhere. It's all up to you how you're going to implement to that one, to any song, or you're going to play it.
Okay.
So that was a canon in D music. So this was basically a classical piece by Pitch Bell, canon D. So you can play this all stuff, and like you can play songs also, like So these are the things that normally happens. And yes, you have any questions, please let me know more.